Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for businesses, creators, or anyone handling subscriptions: setting up PayPal recurring payments. If you've ever wanted to automate billing for monthly memberships, donations, or services, this is your go-to guide. It's straightforward and can save you tons of time. First things first, make sure you have a PayPal business account set up, as that's required for recurring payments. If you don't, head over to PayPal's website and upgrade your account quickly. It's free. Alright, let's get started. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and look for the Tools or Account Settings section. You'll want to find the Subscriptions and Billing option. It's usually under the Selling Tools tab. Click on that to open up the billing management area. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on Create a Subscription or Set up Recurring Payments. You'll be prompted to enter the details. Start with the payment amount. For example, if it's a monthly subscription, set the price per installment. Next, choose the frequency. Options include weekly, monthly, quarterly, or even yearly. Don't forget to add a description so your customers know exactly what they're paying for. You can also customize things like trial periods if you're offering a free month upfront, or set up limits on how many payments can be made. Once everything looks good, hit Save, and then activate the plan. PayPal will guide you through confirming the setup, and you might need to link it to your website or app if that's how you're collecting payments. Before you wrap up, it's a good idea to test the recurring payment. You can do a dummy transaction or simulate one through PayPal's sandbox mode to ensure it works smoothly. And there you have it. Your recurring payments are all set up. This feature not only streamlines your finances but also improves customer retention by making payments hassle-free. If you encounter any issues, like errors during setup, check PayPal's Help Center or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. See you next time.